Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a topic that might seem like pure fantasy for many, owning a yacht. We often see the glamorous side, the endless horizons, the sun-drenched decks, the feeling of ultimate freedom. But like anything in life, there's another side to the story, and it's important to explore that with a clear, honest perspective. Owning a yacht is, without a doubt, a significant undertaking. It's not just about the initial purchase price, which can be astronomical. Think about the ongoing costs, docking fees, which can be substantial depending on your location, insurance premiums that reflect the value and risk associated with such a vessel, and regular maintenance. These aren't small expenses, they are a continuous commitment that can easily rival the cost of a luxury car or even a home. Then there's the operational side. Yachts require skilled crew to manage them, from captains and engineers to deckhands and stewards. Even if you plan to operate it yourself, you'll need specialized training and certifications. And let's not forget the fuel. These magnificent machines consume a considerable amount of fuel, and with fluctuating prices, this can become a significant and unpredictable expense. Beyond the financial, there's the time commitment. A yacht isn't a car you park in your driveway and use for a quick trip to the store. It requires planning, preparation, and often dedicated time away from your regular life to truly enjoy it. This can put a strain on personal relationships and other commitments. However, it's crucial to frame this not as a deterrent, but as a realistic understanding. The courage to pursue such a dream often stems from a deep desire for adventure and a unique way of experiencing the world. It's about embracing challenges and finding joy in the journey, not just the destination. And this is where the true value often lies, not just in the material possession, but in the experiences it facilitates. The love and friendship forged on the open water are often profound. Imagine sharing breathtaking sunsets with loved ones, creating memories that are truly unparalleled. The shared challenges of navigating new waters, the quiet moments of reflection under a starlit sky, the laughter echoing across the waves, these are the intangible rewards that can make the investment worthwhile for those who are truly prepared. It's about understanding that the dream of yacht ownership is a complex tapestry, woven with both significant responsibilities and the potential for extraordinary joy. It requires a blend of financial prudence, practical planning, and a courageous spirit willing to embrace the full spectrum of what it entails. If you're considering this path, approach it with open eyes, a well-researched plan, and a heart ready for adventure. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this perspective helpful, please consider following for more honest explorations of life's big dreams.